Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Tabby in Noon UAE. So I've set it as UAE as you can see, and you just browse first, okay, and add the items you want to your cart, right? Let's say we want this one, you add it to your cart, and then you'll see right here your cart, you go to your cart, and what you basically want to do, right, when you are in your checkout section, basically you enter your delivery address like you normally would and your shipping details. So right now I'm not logged in, but hopefully you are logged in. And then you select Tabby as your payment method on the payment screen right here. So as you can see, we are on this section. So here is Tabby. You just choose Tabby. Of course, it's Tamara as well. You choose this one. And basically your purchase needs to be within the Tabby spending limits. Usually it's up to 2,000 to 5,000. Okay, so here you can go ahead and shop with them. You choose that as the payment option. Okay, and really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.